Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Krita tutorials how to export image. As example, I will create new files. You can click at this link, new file, and we use default template settings. Next, I will draw for simple objects with these rectangle tools. Also, we draw with ellipse like this. And the next, you also can use these tools to draw in the bottom. Okay, now if you want to export this image, you can go to file menu, click on export, and the next you can set the names. I will set into example. For save as type or extension files, you can set into JPEG, or the other we can use GIF, GIMPs, and PNG. For this example, I will use JPEG image, and then you can click save. Click OK, and it will automatically export this image into your folder. Okay, that's it for basic Krita tutorials how to export image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.